So in this video, I will be using the bleach bath method and like 50 million reds in order to achieve the beautiful 99J color that y'all saw in the thumbnail. So I'm using a 30 volume developer and y'all know the regular Clairol basic white powder lightener, and I put it in there. I was eyeballing it. I really didn't have a specific ratio to use. I just kind of like put it in there. Like if I put more powder, then I'd put more liquid developer and so on. So I'm dipping the wig in there, and y'all, when y'all do the bleach bath, make sure you brush the hair. Same goes for water dyeing. When you do that, you want to make sure every single strand of hair is covered so the wig will process evenly. So after that, I put aluminum foil over it, because just like you would paint bleach on any kind of hair, you want to make sure it processes. So that's my very first process. I let that sit in there for 30 minutes, and now I'm going to do another process. I'm using the same aluminum foil because who has time? So that is what my second process looks like. Now on to my red. So I'm using Ruby Red, Kiss Intense Red, and I'm using Rich Amber. So again, I had to rinse out my container, and I'm just doing the regular schmegular watercolor method. So when I was picking out the colors that I wanted for this wig, I knew that I didn't want the loud extra fire truck red. Like I wanted more of a muted red, but I didn't want a burgundy. Didn't want a fire truck red. So that is what my perfect 99J looks like. So y'all saw my perfect 99J color. So after I washed the bleach out, I let the wig sit in the silicone mix for like 30 minutes, and now I'm using my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum to flat iron my hair so I can make sure it's as flat as possible for the next step. So I'm curling the wig, and more experienced wig makers and licensed hairstylists, please do not clock me on my curling method, because you can obviously see that it works. I'll learn how to curl the correct way, but as for now, this works. So I'm doing pin curls. I've really been loving the pin curls lately, and I'm trying to do pin curls because you know, I'm trying to learn how to be patient with doing hair stuff, and I think doing pin curls is like one of the things that you can do that requires patience. So I just grabbed average size pieces. All my pieces aren't the same, but at the end you'll see that it really doesn't matter. So I'm using just these regular pins that I got from Amazon, and I'm using them for my pin curls. So now I'm about to curl my frontal. So in order to make my hairline look like it does, you know, when people get styled on Instagram and stuff like that, I want to make my hairline crisp. I want to make it neat. I don't want any flyaways. So I use the Got To Be Glued, and I use the hot comb to kind of, I don't know what to call it. I still don't know what to call that little trick, but it looks good. So I'm just curling it like usual. I do like 3 pieces in the front because I don't want too many pin curls in the front. I wanted my frontal to be kind of loose. So now I'm using my 2DJ wax stick along with my 2DJ hot comb, and I'm using the hot comb on the top, and then I just curled it. I just like how it looks in the end. So this is what my pin curls look like. They're all pinned up. I sprayed some Got To Be Glued on it. some got to be glue freeze spray, and I'm gonna let them sit. So funny story, I actually ended up letting these curls sit for over a week. Life happened, I had stuff to do, and I didn't have time to take pictures in this wig, so I couldn't. So now I'm taking down the pin curls, and like I said, I had a busy week and I wasn't able to actually install the wig on my head on camera. Plus by that time somebody was already on their way to pick up the wig because I had sold it. So I'm just changing the wig to a side part, making it look real good. But this is the first time, this is a picture of the first time I wore it and installed it. So you can see what it looks like on me. I was really feeling myself, and that's pretty much it. You can see that I'm styling the front yet again. I just like to do that just because. And you can see how the red complemented my skin. So you've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.